Buenos dias, mi amigos. What's going on? It is the Boredom Report, and if you can't tell by my eyes, it's early morning in Zihuatanejo. We are at the Zihuatanejo Pier right now, getting ready to go out fishing with one of the local icons here, Hiram, aka Hawaiiano. So looking forward to this. We're gonna go catch some fish today. Let's do it. Yeah! Approximately, I'd say 8 to 10 miles right now, and we're on the hunt for some big fish today. So I'm not completely sure why, but Captain Hawaiiano, Hiram, right here behind me, has decided to give me the helm. I'm driving, boys. I'm driving. Woo!
Okay, bait we use for catching shellfish, mahi-mahi, in occasions blue marlin, striped marlin. This is a cocinero.
So we've been out for a couple hours, actually caught ourselves an awesome dodo or dorado. Beautiful fish, can't wait to get that back and try some of that. So we're heading back towards the mainland right now, and actually again, he's still letting me drive the boat for some reason. I just realized I'm way way the hell. Captain, I'm sorry, we're going the wrong direction. So we're heading back towards the land to see if we can catch some other smaller fish, and then the adventure continues. Back into the Bay Area in Zihuatanejo right now, and we're actually going to go check out Hawaiiano's family's restaurant and beach. You can only get to it by boat too, and we're going to try some of this damn delicious mahi that we caught out there. Restaurante La Cabaña, and that's, what is that?
Las primeras familias que habitaron esta playa y abrieron restaurantes porque la gente venía y quería tomar y comer, entonces fue algo natural hace 60 años.
So we just got back to Playas Gatos, where we're back at the family's restaurant, and we're gonna try out some of this damn fresh mahi-mahi that they're gonna cook up for us. Hey, what's up, buddy? Got a cocktail too. Mm-hmm.
Here is Mexican sauce with cilantro and orange juice.
So we're making up some unbelievably fresh ceviche right now, and at the same time, Captain, aka Jefe, aka Chef, is getting ready to grill up an unbelievable mahi-mahi steak. I cannot wait to get down on this. Oh, just listen to that yumminess.
Fishing day, the mahi-mahi we got really fresh.
Oh man. So if folks want to get in touch with you to go on a fishing adventure, how do they do that? Or if they want to come out here to La Cabaña on Playas Gatos?
You can find me in Facebook or 755-102-8021.
Okay, all right, we'll pop that up on the screen as well. Seriously, the people you'll meet here in Zihuatanejo will blow your mind. This is just one of the many, but a true legend. So thank you so much again for having us out here. We're going to catch you guys soon. Hasta!
Come to the good season.
Get down here! Thank you guys so much for following the Boredom Report. Please subscribe to our page.